Hi Cumberland. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to access TumbleBooks. You access TumbleBooks by going to the Tennessee Electronic Library website at tntel.info. Once you're here, you can go to Students in Elementary, then find TumbleBooks. Let's click Use this resource. This is the TumbleBook library, and so there are several different types of books that you can read in here. Some books will be storybooks or eBooks that you will read. Some books will be read-along that have the option to listen to the book. And some books are going to be videos, which are books that you will listen to and watch. Let's take a look at some of these new books to see how it works. Let's click The Quickest Kid in Clarksville. Alright, once you have clicked the book, you can read the summary about what it's about, or you can just jump right in. Let's read online.
I'm running in place, listening to my feet pound the pavement, pretending I'm the fastest woman in the world. Of course, Wilma Rudolph, who grew up right in this town, is faster than anyone. But I'm the quickest kid in Clarksville, Tennessee, and everyone around here knows it.
So if I wanted to get back to the TumbleBooks library, I see that I'm still in the TumbleBooks library up here in my other tab. I could go back and search for other books that I might like to check out. If you're looking for something longer, you might like one of our graphic novels here, How to Spot a Sasquatch. Let's read online. All right, as you can see, when I'm reading online, I might have to scroll down, or I can go over. We can also click categories like nonfiction or books that are about true life things. You might want to read a book about baby animals playing. That looks cute. All right, I'm going to read online.
Baby lemurs like climbing trees.
Remember, you can always get back to the home screen by clicking the TumbleBook library at the top. If you're looking for books in other languages, you can click up here and click other languages like Spanish or French. TumbleBooks are a great way to get started reading quickly and easily. Let me know if you have any questions. You shouldn't need to sign in if you're in the state of Tennessee. Just make sure you go through the Tennessee Electronic Library website. Thank you.